make you warm, you know. This will make your stomach warm.
Stomach what?
Worm.
No, this when these cheese things get hot, they make your stomach get hot, and you'll feel hot.
So if you have a cold stomach, it'll make your stomach feel better? Huh. Maybe you should be a doctor, Holly. No? You don't like to be a doctor? Why not?
Because blood is yucky, and if you're a doctor, you have to look at blood. That's why I don't want to be a doctor.
Me either. I want to be a mermaid.
Well, how do you become a mermaid? What do you have to do? Go to mermaid school?
No, you swim in the sea.
But how do you get to do it?
Poo poo baby, dabby.
Hey.
So technical.
You have to go to the ocean. How do you get there?
To take the car.
Take a car?
She obviously
Yeah.
doesn't
Take the car. Say this is how. Hey, Jason, say this.
know. No, not much. They were on the
Say
boat
this,
the whole
Jason.
time.
Here's Holly the Ghostman. Now say it, right now. Like that.
Here's Holly the Ghost Man.
Oh, yeah, I noticed.
Oh,
Chris Britney was the cynical most of the time. Holly ended up doing that.
Oh, sepia.
Now can I do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you're flashing the camera. Make sure your shirt's out.
Hey, quit. Looks like a ghost. He's scared Tip will look like a ghost.
How does that look like a ghost?
'Cause
I think it looks like a walrus.
now he has 3 and he's a ghost. But he ate his teeth. Now what is he gonna do? Hey, he growed another one. Now it's gone. Now he has a little bit. Now he's, I can see it.
Down here. See? Down. Down.
Here, yeah.
Now he has a deformed lip.
I can't see that chip in your mouth.
Yep.
Now here comes the old granny.
Don't forget.
Well, that's not very
I
nice.
got you a chair in your car.
But she's leaving. She can't take it. Kate, where are you?
That's
Down.
I'm right here.
Hi, Katie.
Hello.
Hey,
I'm just
wait.
enjoying it.
You're way down in the table.
I'm in the table?
Yes, it looks like
Are
it.
you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Where would I? And here's the Caitlin.
Caitlin.
I need to like where the kids.
Look, Jason, Caitlin.
Jason and Caitlin.
She made that up.
And here's,
That's a pretty name.
now here's
Yeah.
Cake.
Cake?
Yes,
But you gotta put the camera down. You've
See.
got it way up in the air. You've got to bring it down so you can see my
There you
cake.
go.
See? Can you see me?
now this is Kate.
Hello.
And
Can you see me?
and she sounds like cake. So her last name should be Cake.
Cake,
And
cake.
Jason should be JC.
Where's your grandma?
Jason should be his last name. Jason. I mean JC. He looks like JC. And Kate should be like Cake. And because she looks like.
Any gas.
Because she should.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, you set the
She's still,
candle on fire.
Grandma, why'd you do that?
you're still filming.
I caused a forest fire.
Now here's Janet. She's here. Janet's here to see us.
It's fluffy.
No, you know what it is. Yeah.
Now Megan's here.
Turn it off, Holly.
Holly, or I'll take you sunburnt.
I thought you
Yeah,
said
right.
gas.
Poo-poo head.
You
No.
hear Phyllis burning the candle. I mean, burning
still
this
filming.
right here.
It's
I
still filming,
smell
Holly.
it. It smells like something burnt.
And
Yeah,
it says Poo-poo Tiki
We
Megan.
went to Walmart and tried on
Look
lipstick.
like some
Alright.
I
scribbling
found a
poop.
real pretty color. It wasn't too red for,
Thanks a
not
lot.
too old for. I said that. you
Now
can
let's
have.
turn it off.
This one kind of real
Here,
bright
see
Okay.
color.
No, no way.
No. The shiny stuff, yeah, but not the bright color.
Now here's Holly
I
got
got some new
lace.
t-shirts that came out. They were $5 a piece. So,
Here's Megan.
lipstick on? I think so. I can't see it in the dark.
I wouldn't have had Shannon or Holly to drive all the way out there if I knew you was coming
Knock,
in.
knock. Who's there?
I didn't know what time you'd be back.
Boo-hoo. Here, want me to get you tissue?
I gotta get going.
Knock,
I
knock.
took my light bar
Who's
back
there?
for the bathroom
Door.
so we could get
Door
some food.
who?
Because
Door
they had
on the
lots, but
floor.
we wasn't never gonna get the wires
knock.
to work, so
Who's there? Blue.
he'd never get
Blue.
the wires. So.
Huh, no, I said blue.
These ain't yours, are they?
Yeah,
Yes,
you
they
can have
are.
as many as you want. We
No,
can't
I
look
said
at it.
blue.
Jason's.
What?
Blue.
You're
I know
recording.
what I said.
No, I bought them for you.
You say
Everybody.
blue who? I say,
I hardly ever buy them, but
I-
I love them.
and
Some
I
hamburger here.
said
That's what came out.
balloon head.
She's got it with her.
We're calling Bill.
In the room, I think.
Where's your?
This
Oh,
one's not a play. Whatever, have to be
No,
quiet.
she took her
I
home.
wondered if
Yay.
I got sunburnt today because Megan and then
Yeah, Holly did get
I was
some.
worried about
Hey,
little
the
Holly
fish-
because
The
she had that
fish is
tank on.
already cooking. It's getting cool.
The fish isn't cooking. That's a steak.